Good afternoon, babies, and welcome back to my channel. What's Cooking Mama? Today I'll be making meat sauce with spaghetti and garlic bread. Okay, I just put my ground turkey in the pan so it can start browning. And the seasonings that I'm going to be using are garlic. I'm going to use some green peppers, red peppers, and onions. Some oregano, paprika, basil, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, of course spaghetti sauce, and some Parmesan Romano cheese, and of course spaghetti. Okay, so I'm going to put my seasons in now. I'm not going to talk through the video, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I put the green peppers, red peppers, and onions, and I found a piece of smoked sausage that I cut up and put in here also. And I'm just browning it all together with the ground turkey. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sauce in. We're gonna let this simmer for a little bit. And then when that spaghetti gets done, we're gonna put it all together. And then I'm gonna show you how to make the garlic bread. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, babies, I'm back, and I'm gonna make the garlic butter to go on my garlic bread. So here I have some softened butter, and I'm gonna put a little mayonnaise in here, just a little bit, just a little bit. See, just like that. And I'm gonna put some garlic. Put a garlic. Because it is garlic. Bread. Put this under the broiler until it gets nice and brown. But you gotta watch it, because it will burn if you don't watch it. So I'm gonna put this under the broiler. Oh, I forgot. I have to put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on the top. Just a little bit. So it's actually garlic bread with cheese, okay? So I'm gonna put this under the broiler, and you're gonna see the final results of the whole dish. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished results of my spaghetti with meat sauce, and I'm gonna plate it now. And this is the finished results of my garlic bread, my cheesy garlic bread, I should say. There you have it. My spaghetti with meat sauce with garlic bread. Thank you for watching, and I hope you make it because it's delicious. And thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go check out my daughter's channel, Takaya Monet. Or Kaya Monet, I'm sorry, I'm tired. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.